Hello everyone, welcome to Hunnar's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today's video is related to Vasavi Kanika Parameshwari Devi and how to do Alankaram for any of the Devi Vigrahas to make her look like Vasavi Kanika Parameshwari Devi. The reason why this video is being done is because there is Vasavi Jayanti which is coming on 22nd of May 2021, and that is why a few subscribers had requested me to do this Alankaram. Over here, I'm transforming a Lakshmi Vigraha which looks like this into Vasavi Devi. So in this video, I'll not be showing you on how to make the items required for this Shringar or Alankaram. So over here, I'll only be showing you on how to do this Alankaram, and in my next video, I'll be showing you on how to make a few items sitting right at your home. So please don't miss to watch this video as well as the next video. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to transform any of your Devi Vigrahas into Vasavi Devi Alankaram. Over here, I have taken a Lakshmi Vigraha which looks like this, and I will be transforming her not just into Vasavi Devi Alankaram, but I will also be transforming a sitting idol into a standing position. And one of the main challenges that we have these days is that because of lockdown, you are not able to purchase many of the items. So you will not be getting the dresses also to do this Alankaram. So that is why I have actually come up with a solution for this, so that you can actually drape the saree in a South Indian way. A part of it I have actually shown in my other videos also, but because there are so many new subscribers joining my channel on a daily basis, I just thought I'll just repeat the entire process once again. So to do this Alankaram, all you are going to need is a blouse piece or a chunri which looks like this. And because Vasavi Devi is always dressed in red color, that is why I have chosen this chunri here. And you're also going to need a border like this. It doesn't have to be a jari border. You can pick up any border which either contrasts the red color blouse piece or your red color chunri. So I have taken this because I already had it with me, but it is not mandatory that you need it. In case if you are not able to get a border, then you can just take another blouse piece and cut it and stitch it like this. And I'm also using this smaller border also to drape in the blouse area. So first and the foremost thing is that you will have to pleat these. Now pin it over here. So once you have put the pleat like this, just hold it in front of your idol and look at the height. In case if you feel like the height of the sari is more, then you may want to fold it in this way and drape it. So this is exactly what I'm going to do now. I'll be folding it into two like this, and I'm going to drape it. Now, the trick with transforming any of the sitting idol into standing position is this, that you shouldn't be spreading the sari too much. It is only when a person sits that the pleats is going to spread, but in case if a person is standing, then the pleats are not going to spread and it is just going to sit straight. That is what we want to achieve here. So now once it is done, now comes the time to drape this with the bigger border. So for that, take this border from underneath the sari here. Okay, so if you want, you can pin it. Take it from behind like this and bring it here. So when you are doing this, I really want the sari to sit like this only. So for that reason, I'm just going to put a few ball pins here. So this gives the South Indian sari look. And make this pallu come in the front. And that is it. The sari part is done. Now let me just explain to you about the things that Vasavi Devi or Vasavamba will be holding in her hands. In her upper left hand, she will be holding a pasha, and in her upper right hand, she will be holding a lotus on which there will be a parrot, and in her lower left hand, she will be holding a kalash, and her lower right hand is in the Abhaya Hasta position. So now, having understood all this, let me show you on the items that I have made and how I am going to fix them. So this completes the jewelry decoration for Vasavi Devi. Now let me show you on how to fix the legs. There is already a video in my YouTube channel in which I have shown how to make these legs. So if you have not watched it, then please do watch it. And take one of the legs, take out the pleat, put it inside like this, okay, and hold the pleats tightly around the leg. Make sure that the leg is coming a little down so that it is visible. Take a ball pin and pin it. You have to pin it very tightly so that the leg doesn't slip down. The leg is fixed. So let us fix the other leg in the same way. So once you have done the decoration like this, fill this kalash with water and keep 3 leaves. So this kalash I bought it from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for it. And also make a fire out of cardboard like this, okay, and I have made it in such a way that it can stand on its own, and place it at our feet this way. And you can leave this alankaram as is, or otherwise, in case if you want, you can also put a chunri on top of her head. And that is what I'm going to do now. I have taken this beautiful chunri and I'm just going to put on her head. And that is it. Our Vasavi Devi Alankaram is done. If you have a beautiful plant, you can also keep it behind her so that it looks as if it is a tree and she is standing under a tree. So this chunri that I have put on her head was something which was handmade, and I got it done from a tailor and I got it customized. There is one more video in my YouTube channel where I have explained on how did I get this chunri prepared. So in case if you are interested, then you can watch this video. So this completes today's Alankaram. I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.